Welcome to this course on feasibility and viability studies. Every business or project idea begins as a possibility. But before significant money, time, or resources are invested, decision makers must answer critical questions. Is this project realistic? Is it worth doing? Will it succeed? Feasibility and viability studies are tools used to answer these questions. They help evaluate whether a project is practical, achievable, and sustainable. In this first module, we will examine the foundations of feasibility studies. We will define what feasibility means, explore its purpose, identify different types of feasibility studies, outline the process of conducting them, and discuss key tools used in analysis. Section 1: Meaning of feasibility studies. A feasibility study is a structured analysis carried out to determine whether a proposed project or business idea can be successfully implemented. It looks at technical, economic, financial, legal, and operational aspects of a project. The aim is simple: to reduce uncertainty by providing reliable information on whether to proceed, modify, or abandon a project. For example, before building a new shopping mall, an investor would want to know: is there enough demand for retail shops in the location? What are the costs of construction, and can they be financed? Are there legal restrictions on land use? Will the project generate enough returns to justify investment? A feasibility study provides structured answers to such questions. Section 2: Objectives and importance of feasibility studies. The main objectives are: assess practicality. Can the project be realistically achieved given resources and constraints? Reduce risks, identify potential problems before they arise. Support decision-making, provide facts and data for go/no-go decisions. Attract investors and partners, demonstrate seriousness and preparedness. Guide project planning, offer insights into timelines, cost, and resource needs. Without feasibility studies, projects risk failure due to poor planning, over-optimism, or lack of awareness about risks. Section 3: Types of feasibility studies. Feasibility studies can be grouped into several categories. Technical feasibility examines whether the technology, equipment, or skills required are available. For example, can the local workforce operate advanced manufacturing machines? Economic feasibility assesses cost-benefit balance, ensuring the economic benefits outweigh cost. Financial feasibility examines sources of funding, repayment ability, and expected profits. Legal feasibility reviews compliance with laws, regulations, and permits. Operational feasibility determines whether the project can be managed and sustained within existing organizational structures. Market feasibility assesses demand, customer preferences, and competitive environment. Environmental feasibility examines environmental impact and sustainability issues. Most comprehensive feasibility studies include a mix of these types. Section 4: Process of conducting a feasibility study. The process generally follows these steps: preliminary analysis, screening of ideas to rule out obviously unworkable options. Defining the project scope, clear description of objectives, stakeholders, and boundaries. Market research, collecting data on demand, competitors, pricing, and customer needs. Technical assessment, evaluating location, infrastructure, resources, and technology. Financial projections, estimating cost, revenues, cash flows, and return on investment. Risk analysis, identifying uncertainties and proposing mitigation strategies. Conclusions and recommendations, deciding whether to proceed, revise, or abandon the project. This structured approach ensures that all critical aspects are covered. Section 5: Tools and techniques in feasibility analysis. Some common tools include SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Cost-benefit analysis, comparing total expected cost with total expected benefits. Break-even analysis, determining the sales volume needed to cover cost. Risk assessment matrices, mapping risks according to likelihood and impact. Sensitivity analysis, testing how results change with variations in assumptions. These tools make feasibility studies practical and data-driven. Module 1 Summary. In this first module, we introduce the concept of feasibility studies, explain their objectives, discuss types, outline the process, and highlighted key analytical tools. This sets the foundation for our second module, where we move from feasibility to viability studies, focusing more deeply on long-term sustainability and profitability.